So we're back today looking at the 67 SS Camaro. We filmed this car the other day. It was super hot, Joe. I mean, we sweated down and the camera tried to stop and everything due to heat. So we're going to redo it today. You've got your fiance Kennedy with you today.
Yep.
Kennedy, you love this car, right?
Yeah.
Well, and that's another reason we're here. They wanted you into this, to incorporate you into this video. So what we're looking at is a 67 Camaro Super Sport. Sounds really, really cool. So you got a good deal on it, is what you're saying, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
everything's been restored on the car from 2012. Everything's brand new.
So the restoration goes back to 2012?
Yeah.
So 13, 14 years. Well, it's a beautiful color. What color are we looking at here?
Deep water blue.
Deep water blue. Now, you have another car that we filmed the other day that has the same color, but it's on a Pontiac, and it's called
Phantom Blue.
Phantom Blue, but it's actually the same color.
Yeah.
So the different line, Pontiac used a different name for the same color paint.
Yep.
So that's kind of neat. Got a nice vinyl top with, and I guess that was original to the car, supposed to be there, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
And your stripes are painted on, or
yes.
they, you know?
They're painted on.
I like both. I love the decals and I love the painted stripes. You got Rally SS wheels on it. You got the spoiler on the back. It's a, wouldn't walk around this way. Got the SS badges on the fuel tank, and I know it does up front as well. It's really a straight car. The body lines are good. Everything about it is just wonderful. A lot of people get rid of the wheel well, the lower chrome, because for whatever reason, some people prefer it plain as not. I like it with the wheel well chrome. I think it really looks good. So we're looking at it's a 350 engine, is that correct?
Yes. The 350 crate motor from Edelbrock, so it makes about 460 horsepower, 440 feet-pound torque.
So it's an Edelbrock crate engine?
Yeah.
So it's probably got aluminum heads, I'm saying. SS badges up front. Go ahead and pop the hood for us, Joe, if you don't care. Kennedy, I understand you keep these cars clean.
Yeah.
You keep them clean.
Oh, yeah.
And will you twist a wrench and grab tools and do that kind of stuff too? Well, there's not many young folks your all's age that are into these old cars. I'm telling you, we see it all the time. Most everybody's old men like Greg and I. But tell us a little bit, once again, about the motor. You said it's a Edelbrock crate engine, aluminum heads.
Yep.
What's the horsepower again?
460.
460. That's a lot.
Yeah.
And I heard a vacuum pump when.
Yeah, so it has a vacuum,
got a vacuum
external
pump right
vacuum
over.
pump for your brakes. Your headlights are electronic instead of vacuum.
Because that cam takes a lot of that vacuum away, right? Right. What size carb you run on this engine, you know?
800
it's
CFM.
An 800 CFM. Well, it sounds really good. Power brakes, power steering. Is it front wheel disc?
Yeah, front wheel disc, rear drum.
Well, it sure is a pretty car. It's a beautiful car.
Yep.
We've ran across a few Camaros for our channel, and I've never saw one this color. I've never saw any other cars this color, and you have two of them.
Yeah.
So
maybe our viewers.
Yeah, maybe. I mean, if anybody knows about other cars this color, man, it's just a unique color, and it's an original color to the Camaro line. So that's great. You care if we look at your interior here, Joe? Got the gauges on the center console. You got the wood grain steering wheel. I believe those are aftermarket gauges, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. The console gauges, are they factory or?
Yes,
they
factory,
are factory?
Yeah.
I
thought you were talking about the other oil pressure gauge.
Oh, I got you.
It's underneath the steering wheel. I'm like,
no,
that's
I see now. Yeah, they are absolutely factory. I like the little T-shifter there too.
Yeah.
Some of the later ones, the 69s, had the horseshoe shifter. Man, really, really pretty car, man. Something to really be proud of.
Shifter's connected to a 3-speed. It's a 3-speed monster transmission, and there's 373s in the rear end.
Yeah,
so
I bet
it's a rocket.
It makes a lot of power.
Yeah.
Kennedy, do you drive this car when you guys take them out to cruises and shows?
Yeah, this was actually the first classic I ever drove.
So this was it, first classic car you ever drove? Well, everything else is downhill from here, I'll tell you that. That's a great choice. Yeah. Of course, you could upgrade here, but not much. Not much. Well, man, I sure appreciate you showing us your beautiful Camaro. I'm glad you're involved in keeping these cars up and cleaned and taking them to shows. You and Joe both. It's nice to see younger folks get involved with these older classic cars. It just doesn't happen that often. So we thank you guys. Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys showing us your whole collection. Cool.
Yeah.
But man, it's really a pretty car. It's got the cowl hood. It shows well. I saw you guys' cars. All you guys' cars are clean. It's got the factory wheel well molding. So everything out here looks really factory.
Yeah.
And I like that look.